Look, Ma, a thigh master using my hands. You tired of buying these turds? Check out what we have in store for you. The Gator Frameworks. But first, do me a favor and do yourself a favor.
Light up that subscribe button.
Ryan, CPP Tech, that's me. So normally I don't do an unboxing, but I ordered this thing. It's the Gator Frameworks dust-mounted Pro Broadcaster Boom. So I ordered this, and then like last week, Jay announced he was doing on Jay's 2 Cents. He announced he was starting to do a live stream, and he actually had one of these, and I already had this on the way. So normally I don't do an unboxing. However, I'm actually unbox this, and we're gonna mount it, and I'm gonna take my mic and put it on here. And while I'm doing so, we'll cross over to the lab mic and then compare differences or what have you. But we're gonna unbox this thing and see what it's all about. So it does do a full 360 rotation if you want. I know that the XLR cable is mounted in with it, so it's only 4.5 pounds, well 4.4 pounds I guess. But with the box, we're gonna pull it out. This is so much nicer than those $30-$40 things. I believe I picked this up on Amazon for $120, $130. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, probably hardware stuff. A box inside of a box. Let's see what this is all about here real quick. So this is actually pretty cool. So this thing here, if you don't want to mount it on your table, you can actually mount it on the wall. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even know that came with it, but they got 3 holes, so you can mount it on the wall like so, or like so, and have it mounted on the wall. So that's pretty cool. If you notice, we got the Millennium Falcon table going back again. So bring her out of retirement. Everybody likes a Millennium Falcon table. So let's take a gander at this thing, shall we? It's already a beast, I can tell. Got a slip knot going on here, so let's go ahead and untie it. And we'll pull this beast out and see what we have. I already like it. I mean, I was looking at them already because I figured, so here's what I was looking at. You know, that one I have sitting over there, it was like the same one that I just tossed on the ground. Those things are anywhere between $30, $40. Sometimes you get a mic with it, but you get a cheap mic with it or what have you. And I found myself in the last 4 months going through those turds because they're just built poorly. I mean, almost everything's built in China, but it's like, you know, the A team and the B team. So let's go ahead and pull this turd out and see what I got. So, I'm trying to remember. I think it comes with a 10-foot XLR cable too. So that's pretty snazzy jazzy. So looks like it comes apart here. We just gotta take all this nice foam and stuff off of here because it doesn't really go together. They just do it to do it because the cable actually goes into the length and comes back out here. So we got to take this apart here so we can. Oh my goodness! Oh, let me see. Goodness, don't break it, Ryan. There was no instructions in this one, so all right, screw it. We'll get a knife in a little bit and take that turd off of there. So, yeah. Not this twisty tie. Alright, so let's take the XLR cable, just push the button, pull it right off. Now we can get this, see? Now you're thinking with the right head. Alright, so clean that up later. So yeah, there's a 10-foot, looks like it's about a 10-foot XLR cable that comes with it, you know? So that's pretty cool. I know I say that's pretty cool a lot, you know? Because it's pretty cool. Wouldn't say it wasn't cool if it wasn't cool, right? I don't know why I always have to tell her it's pretty, though. I guess that's just that positive reinforcement going on there. So, we'll get the broom up here later. So, yes, it does that, but there's a locking mechanism here. So, you can make it stiffer. And loosen that. Yeah, pretty snazzy. And then you got this thing here, which comes right off. So that's even cooler. So you take this off, and then you can actually, if you're going to mount it on the wall, put this on the wall, and then throw this guy on there. So we're not going to be wall mounting it today. We're going to put it right here on the Falcon table. And we'll take a gander at it. So that's how that works. So that's going there. So what we're going to do is, all right, so what I'm going to do actually is we're going to mount it onto this table right here, right? So we're going to unscrew this vise. And I don't know if you can see or not, but there's actually a hole here. So if you want to mount it this way and then put it down, put the arm down here. You got the hole here, put the arm down there. You can do as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount it to this table real quick, and then I'm going to change over to the lav mic if I haven't already. I mean, it's so much more better already, I can tell. Very well made. So we're going to mount it there. I don't know if that mic's picking it up. We're going to change over here in a sec because we're going to mount this thing. Put that in there. That's going to go like that, and then you just tighten her up there. All right, so we're gonna grab my shotgun mic here in a minute, and we're gonna actually switch over to this lav mic. What's really cool is it's got a step down as well, depending on your mic's thread. So that's pretty cool. We'll see what it is, but all right, switching to lav mic. So now that's on backwards because of how the mic is. So we'll just pull it out through the hole. And then put it back in through the hole. Ooh. Now to find the holes. There's that. I really wish I could afford one of those Shure mics, but not, don't have deep pockets. All right, so now we're gonna have a wire in our way because I gotta mount it to the XLR cable over there, up in here. I know you can't. All right, so now we're back over to the shotgun mic, but I like this thing. Oh my Lord. I highly recommend you getting one of these. Even though I don't have a Shure mic, I got a shotgun mic so I can put it on there. I really like this. Oh my Lord. Yeah. I mean, you can adjust it. If I need it there like that. What's up, guys? So, yeah. I highly recommend this thing. It will save you money in the long run if you spend in $40, $30, $40 on those turds we showed you in the beginning. By the time you buy 3 or 4 of those, you could have had one of these and just been on with your day. So I highly recommend doing so. But anyway, if you like this video, do me a favor, throw a like and a subscribe. Please share with your friends. Let me know in the comments below how you like. If you have one of these, let me know. If you think about getting one, let me know. If you end up getting one after seeing this video, let me know. So, but Jay's 2 cents, he actually using these on his live show. He's using the Shure microphones, and I wish to God I had the money to buy a Shure microphone as well. However, we'll leave it at that. So, anyway, have a good day, guys. Take care. Thank you for watching, and be kind to each other. See ya. Bye.